What is a pathogen in plant defense? Have you ever wondered how plants protect themselves from diseases? The answer lies in understanding what a pathogen is in plant defense. A pathogen is any microorganism that causes disease in plants. This includes fungi, bacteria, viruses, nematodes, and other microbes that invade and damage plant tissues. Plants face constant threats from these harmful agents, so they have developed various defense strategies to keep themselves safe. The first line of defense is a physical barrier. This barrier consists of a tough outer layer, like bark, and a waxy cuticle that prevents pathogens from entering. However, if this barrier is broken, plants have internal mechanisms ready to spring into action. One of the key internal defenses is chemical defenses. Plants produce secondary metabolites, which are compounds that help protect them. These compounds can be toxic or antimicrobial, effectively killing or inhibiting pathogens. This is like having a built-in medicine cabinet to fight off invaders. Plants also have immune responses. They can recognize specific molecules associated with pathogens, known as pathogen-associated molecular patterns. This recognition happens through specialized receptors on their cell surfaces. When a plant detects these patterns, it triggers a defense response called PAMP-triggered immunity. This response includes strengthening cell walls, closing tiny pores called stomata, and producing reactive oxygen species to limit the spread of pathogens. Another defense mechanism is known as effector-triggered immunity. Some pathogens releases molecules called effectors that can suppress a plant's initial defenses. In response, plants use resistance proteins to detect these effectors and activate stronger immune responses. Sometimes, this even leads to localized cell death to contain the infection. Plants can also recruit beneficial microbes to help them fight off pathogens. They release chemicals from their roots that attract helpful bacteria, creating a team effort against disease. All these layers of defense work together to help plants survive in environments filled with disease-causing agents. Unlike animals, plants do not have mobile immune cells. Instead, each cell must be able to detect and respond to pathogens. They also send signals to alert other parts of the plant when an attack occurs. Understanding what a pathogen is and how plants defend against them reveals the fascinating interactions in nature that keep plants healthy. This knowledge is also useful in agriculture. By enhancing plant defenses, farmers can reduce crop losses due to diseases without relying heavily on chemical pesticides. So, the next time you see a plant, remember the incredible ways it fights off pathogens to stay alive and thrive.